Ready to start an LLC in Colorado but don't know where to begin? Well, in this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on how to form your LLC in the Centennial State, including preparing the right forms, registering your LLC, accomplishing crucial naming requirements, and all other essential tips to starting your LLC. Then as a bonus, later in the video, I will provide you with an opportunity to grab my free business startup success checklist. Part of this complete guide will reveal my trustworthy registered agent who will help you set up your LLC for free and save you time and money. So make sure you stick with me until the end. Colorado is a great place to start an LLC because of the low corporate tax and steady growth in the economy. There are 3 ways to start an LLC in Colorado. You can do it yourself, hire a professional service, or hire an attorney. First, let's talk about how to DIY your LLC registration. DIY LLC Formation. There are 7 basic steps that you need to follow to start an LLC in Colorado. Step 1. Name your business. Your business name has to be unique. You can check the Secretary of State's website to check if there are other businesses with the same name you want. Aside from checking if there's an existing business with the same name, check for possible domain names and social media tags as well. The last thing you want is to register a business name and find out later that you have limited options in terms of your online presence. www.namechecker.com is a great tool to use for this step. Colorado law also requires you to add the phrase limited liability company or LLC to your name of choice. Any word or phrase that can confuse your LLC with a government agency is also strictly prohibited. Using words like bank or attorney on your business name would require more paperwork, and adding these words would also require you to have a licensed professional as part of your LLC. Although the state doesn't require it, you can pay $25 to reserve your chosen business name with the Secretary of State for 120 days just to make sure that nobody else gets it before you get the chance to register it as your own. Step 2. Get a registered agent. LLCs in Colorado are required to have a registered agent who will serve as a primary point of contact for anything that has to do with your business. Although it's possible to register your own name or the name of friends and family, we highly recommend getting a professional. The registered agent will be receiving and managing tax warnings, subpoenas, and other critical legal papers on your behalf. While you may have trusted friends and family members who are willing to help, a professional registered agent has the training needed to sort potential issues and protect your company at all costs. Your registered agent also needs to be available during business hours and should have an actual physical address, not a PO box. While you might be tempted to use your own home address as a registered location, it's going to be part of the public record and might not be a wise move to expose your personal address. In this case, I recommend you use services like AnytimeMailbox.com. Special link in the description below. They will provide you with a physical business address, scan your mail, and even forward it to your home. It's a very useful service at a very low cost. Worried about the cost? Hiring a registered agent is not that expensive. You can even get a registered agent for free if you pay for a service to register the LLC for you. I highly recommend Zen Business, a service that can help you register your LLC and includes a registered agent as part of the package at no extra cost. Zen Business also provides a dashboard where you can keep a close track of all the documents and correspondence that the agent receives. Feel free to check out my special link on Zen Business if you're interested in signing up for their business. Step 3. Filing the Articles of Organization. This is filed with the Colorado Secretary of State. It usually costs $50 if you're a domestic LLC, but thanks to the Colorado Business Fee Relief Act, House Bill 22-1001, implemented on July 1, 2022, new domestic LLCs get a credit of $49 against the filing fee, so you only need to pay $1. It costs $100 for foreign LLCs. What's the difference? A domestic LLC means that you're a resident of Colorado who wants to build a business in Colorado. On the other hand, a foreign LLC means that you live outside Colorado but would like to build a business or start a franchise of an existing business in Colorado. This part of the process can take 7 to 10 business days for paper filings, while online applications are processed immediately. You can pay an expedited service for paper filings to shorten the processing time to 3 business days. This expedited service only costs an extra of $150. The good news is Zen Business can help you with this process for free, as well as the 2 previous steps by signing up to their starting plan. No other formation service offers a great deal like this. This will save you a lot of time, plus allow you to feel secure knowing that a professional is looking after your business. Step 4. Prepare an operating agreement. Colorado doesn't require LLCs to have an operating agreement, but I recommend having one in place, especially if there are other members deciding for the business. An operating agreement outlines every critical process that needs to be followed, especially when it comes to big picture issues. These issues may include allocation of earnings and losses in case the company is dissolved, decision-making process and voting rights, transfer of membership interests, profits and losses, and any other concern that impacts the business overall. And if you decide to use Zen Business to set up your LLC, they can help you with the operating agreement document for only $125. This will save you a lot of time and will ensure that you have all your documents in order for the registration process. If you find information like this useful for your business, feel free to like and subscribe to my channel for more helpful content like this. Step 6. Obtaining an EIN. Getting an employer identification number or an EIN comes next. An EIN is a federal tax ID issued by the IRS and is used to identify your firm on tax filings. This is also the identifier used when you pay for your business privilege tax, open a bank account, or apply for permits and licenses. I know most processes where the IRS is involved can get tricky and confusing. Filling out these complicated forms also takes longer to complete than the previous steps. This makes having a registered agent who can handle all of this for you even more beneficial. Step 7. Open a business bank account. To open a business bank account, you're going to need an EIN, your business formation documents, a business license, and your ownership agreement if you have one. While this step requires you to make a trip to the bank, you can start off with an online banking service like Wise.com, where you can apply from the comfort of your own home. I will leave a special discounted link in the description below. You could always go to the bank later when you have more time. Step 8. Buy a domain name. Now that you got the physical aspects of the business covered, it's time to take care of your digital presence. I recommend buying a domain name from Namecheap.com because they have the cheapest prices and will also provide a domain name privacy for free. It will only cost you less than $10 per year, so make sure you grab your website name before someone else grabs it from you. There are still a few more important steps to take to fully complete your business setup, but it may drag this video out too long, so I have condensed down everything into an actionable step-by-step checklist where you can grab it from here for free. Professional Formation Service. See all those steps I walked you through on how to register an LLC in Alaska? You don't need to worry about most of those steps if you have someone like Zen Business take care of the setup process for you. Again, Zen Business will do the whole registration process, which means you do not have to do any of the previous steps 1 to 5. Zen Business offers a one-of-a-kind deal. At absolutely no charge for the first year, Zen Business will prepare and handle your state filings and help you check whether the business name you want is available or not. You only have to pay the state filing fees of $1 or $100. Going the DIY route means that you'll have to pay these fees anyway, so why not free up your time to work on your actual business and let Zen Business take care of what they do best. Zen Business is an in-house team that takes care of the entire registration process, so you're confident that you have professionals handling it for you. This is also why all of their plans have a 100% accuracy guarantee, which you don't get with many other providers who outsource all their work. That makes a free service a no-brainer deal. Now, if you want to expedite the filing process, you can upgrade to the $199 Pro package, which includes faster filing, worry-free compliance where they help you submit your annual reports, and a guided operating agreement. For an even faster 1 to 2 day processing time with all the bells and whistles, you can go all the way to the $299 Premium plan, which also provides you with a domain name, a website, and a business email. Now, if you have chosen one of these plans and are ready to get started, then you can use a special link to go and create your LLC. The next option for forming an LLC is to hire an attorney to assist you with the process. Hiring an attorney who specializes in business formation makes sense because they can help you minimize the risk while making sure you comply with every requirement. An attorney will also give you the most personalized service possible, but this comes at a cost. Building an LLC will cost you around $1,000 to $1,500 through an attorney, but this is more than worth it if your business is in a risky field or could have a lot of legal complications. I recommend signing up for Rocket Lawyer's 7-day free trial and taking advantage of the free consultation and review of documents. This will save you thousands of dollars when compared to other attorneys. Once you have decided that this is a service that you really need, then you can pay for their premium services for $39.99 per month. Link to the services is available in the description below. Of course, if your business is low risk, your best option would still be to work with Zen Business. Have you thought about which option works best for you? If you think you can handle things yourself via the DIY route, then watch this video that will help you choose the best bank account for you. But if you want the convenience of getting professional formation services and are interested in working with Zen Business, then I recommend you watch this in-depth tutorial and review that I made on their services. See you in the next video!